Welcome. If you want to remove your bio on Telegram and keep your profile clean or private, you're in the right place. Telegram makes it simple to update or delete your bio, but the option can be easy to miss if you're not familiar with the layout. Let's walk through it step by step so you can get it done in seconds. Start by opening the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to remove the bio. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. This will open up the side panel where your account details and settings are located. From here, tap on My Profile at the top. This takes you to your profile page where you can see your name, phone number, profile picture, and your current bio. Next, look for the Edit icon, usually located at the top right of the screen, and tap on it. This will open the profile editing section where you can make changes to your account information. Now find the bio field. Tap on it, and you'll see your current bio text. Simply delete everything in that field so it becomes completely empty. After removing the text, make sure to save your changes. Tap on the check mark or save option depending on your device. Once saved, your bio will be removed from your Telegram profile. That's it. Your Telegram bio is now completely deleted and your profile will no longer display any description. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more quick tutorials to stay updated with the latest Telegram features and privacy tips.